Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add trips to your account on the Virgin Australia application that you have already booked. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the trips button down below, which is the third option. After that, click on the add trips section or button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. After that, you should type in your booking reference number or code into the first box, and then type in your last name, and then click on the retrieve booking button in the middle of the screen to retrieve your booking. And when your booking has been found, it will be added to this upcoming trips section that you will be able to see at the trips section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.